2025 Luxury Paint Colors. Transform small homes with modern elegance and timeless charm. Choosing the perfect luxury paint colors for small homes in 2025 transcends beyond merely selecting a shade. It's about creating a personal sanctuary that exudes modern elegance and timeless charm. The strategic use of color can conjure an illusion of expansiveness, transforming even the coziest spaces into open, inviting havens. Soft neutrals like warm taupe, creamy off-white, and gentle greige serve as sophisticated canvases, setting the stage for deeper, more opulent tones. Jewel colors like midnight blue and emerald green can inject sumptuous depth, striking a balance between tranquility and boldness. Whether you're aiming for a serene escape or a statement-making interior, the right palette offers you the ability to express personal style with an air of subdued elegance. Beyond the color itself, achieving a luxury feel involves thoughtfully curated decor that accentuates your painted walls. Imagine the sheen of elegant gold or the sleekness of matte black accents against your chosen hues, along with plush textiles and the character of natural wood textures, each element working in harmony to enrich your spaces. By layering varying shades within a single color family, you can introduce depth and a sense of intentional design, giving your home a curated, cohesive feel. Lighting further elevates the mood. Soft ambient lighting teamed with strategically placed mirrors can enhance the luster of chosen hues, ensuring that each part of your home glows with understated sophistication. Embracing luxury paint colors is a sophisticated, yet budget-friendly, way to introduce a sense of refinement and warmth into your residence. Whether you're updating a single room or undertaking a home-wide transformation, the objective is to select colors that resonate with your spirit and bolster your daily comfort. with timeless shades and deliberate design choices. Even a small home can project grandeur and sophistication, all while maintaining an inviting and serene atmosphere. Allow your walls to craft a narrative of style, elegance, and peace, ensuring that every moment spent at home is truly joyful and enriching.